For 31 days, I traveled all throughout Mexico. I got to go to Cancun and the Yucatan Peninsula and go snorkeling. I got to see an incredible volcano and some of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen. I got to go to Mexico City and Puebla. These are some of my stories from Mexico. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm on my way to Actopan. I'm going to the city, just gonna browse around, have some fun in the city. And this is the closest city to where we're staying at here in Mexico. Rather unfortunately, I haven't been able to take a whole lot of pictures this entire trip, really. There has been non-stop rain every single day. You know, the mornings are fairly cloudy, but by the afternoon, evening, it's usually raining pretty good. I know in several cases the last few days there's been some thunderstorms. There was a lot of weather in Cancun when we were there for a week. I have video of that stuff, so I'm gonna show that to you guys too. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and have some fun in Actopan, maybe do some street photography. I got one camera with me. Some of my equipment got wet in Cancun, so I'm not gonna take out the big equipment until I know that it's safe. Alright, so what's the first thing we do in Actopan? Go get ice cream. So I got mint chocolate chip. I've never seen mint chocolate chip in a blue color, but it's surprisingly really good. So that's a plus. The Centro is still closed off. They're still having problems with COVID in this area, so that's still blocked off. Did get a picture of that, so I'll put that up. But yeah, just gonna walk around, see if I can get some good street photography and what else we see around here. Okay, so here in Actopan there's actually a church built in the late 1700s. You can see the cross out in front, right behind me. And I've been in this church twice in the convent museum area, and both times I've had a paranormal experience, no joke. And I'm contemplating whether to go in for a third time. Okay, so there's actually two parts. There's actually the main church right here that's still in use, and then there's the museum that once was the convent that was attached to the church, and that's where I've had the experiences. Okay, and as is the case with a lot of things around here and COVID, it's closed. They're not letting anybody in, so it's a little disappointing because, well, I'll put up the photos that I've taken the last go around so you can see those and see how neat it is really inside. But I was really hoping to get some good video of it, but I guess it's just not going to happen today. Alright, so I'm out here in the Mexican countryside. We've left Actopan and we've gone through a town called Magdalena, and now we're at the top of a mountain hillside area, and the clouds are beautiful out. So I'm taking some interesting landscape photos of the houses that are built on the hillside, along with the the farmland that they're farming. and the beautiful clouds that are in the background. Alright, so I just saw one of the coolest trees sitting out here by the roadside as we're driving back, and of course had to make them stop and take some pictures of it. It's really neat because the fog's coming in, and well, the clouds, and it's foggy, and it's creating this really interesting background. And yeah, can't wait to show you those photos. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me, and also subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell notifications so that way you can see all future content from this channel. See ya.